In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MTP not working in Windows 10. So to resolve this issue, firstly, click on Start and type this PC. Now open C drive. Now open Windows folder. Now open this folder INF. Now click on this search option. Now search wpdmtp.inf. Now press enter. So you will see here three items. Right click on first file and click on install. It will ask permission, so click on yes. You will see the operation completed successfully, and it will fix and resolve this issue. In case if this method is not work, so try second method. Close it, click on start, then type cmd. Right click on command prompt and open as administrator. Now you need to find out this command. I will give in description, so copy, right click, edit and paste. Now press enter. So hopefully friends, after using this two method, this issue will be resolved. Thanks for watching.